I wonder why the messenger of God did not send us to Yemen or Hira to emigrate. I am afraid that the lives of our children will be lost on the way.
My tribe has been living in Syria for many years.
And we are a small number of people. There is no doubt that they could have welcomed us all. What do we have to do with Abyssinia? If Islam is acceptable to the Christians, then the followers in Hijaz would have supported us.
The prophet of God talked to Jibreel, right? You know what I am talking about. Have trust on him. There is influence of the Persian Empire on Yemen. The presence of a group of Muslims in Yemen or Hira is by no means wise. Let me also tell you that the Syrians will not spare any kind of oppression to us.
Yes, you are right. We have come a long and difficult journey together.
Yes, you are right.
What's this? How careless is this?
What is that?
Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. The elders of Makkah are following us. Go to Fuzail's tents and tell him to put out the fire.
Okay.
Hey, where is the boat owner? Where is the owner of the boat? Where is he?
What do you want from the boat owner?
We have to go to Abyssinia.
Runaway slaves.
No, we are not those. No, we are not fugitives. No, my name is Jaffer, son of Abu Talib. And I am the patron of this group. I want you to take us to Abyssinia.
Jaffer, son of Abu Talib?
Yes, I am.
I have heard your father's name a lot. What do you do in Abyssinia?
We are carrying a message from Muhammad bin Abdullah to King Najashi of Abyssinia.
Okay, we'll go tomorrow.
But the thing is, we can't stay here. It's a very important message. Let's go now. I beg you. Obey me.
At this time of night, you know how long it takes to get the boat ready. You have to be patient until tomorrow.
Please have mercy on us for God's sake.
And yes, the rent for 4 men is 1 dinar.
I am willing to give 1 dinar for every 2 people, provided you leave right now.
Make 2 groups. Each of the 2 groups sit in one of the 2 boats.
Thank you so much.
Get up, get up. We'll have to leave tonight. Oh, all of you get up. Hurry up, get up and get the boats ready. We are leaving for Abyssinia right now.
Get up and don't let the boats run away. No.
What sound is this?
Looks like they're coming.
Peace be upon the elders of Mecca.
Did you arrest them?
Tell me. Come on, hurry up.
We arrived too late. They set sail for Abyssinia in 2 boats.
Curse you, incompetent people.
Fate favored them, otherwise we would not have failed.
You see? Normally a single boat sails per week. But tonight 2 boats left. That too on the occasion when the misguided people had reached the port. Curse on such fate.
Don't worry. Keep calm, it doesn't matter. Our troubles have just increased. Don't be stingy. Just open the gold coin bags. That's it.
What do you mean?
We will bring them back from Abyssinia.
This is not possible. Now our hands cannot reach them. Najashi will not hand over to us those who will take refuge with him.
There is a way out of this too. We have some friends in Najashi's court. It is better to send Umar bin As and Abdullah bin Ribayah to the court of Najashi with heavy gifts. Both are cunning individuals, experienced and cunning. It will not take long and they will return with the fugitives. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes, we are ready to leave.
Great, great. Are you ready to prepare gifts? You know how to talk to Najashi.
Yes, don't worry.
The outcome of this journey depends on your intellect.
Yes, don't worry. Rabia and I are well aware of the importance of this journey. That they must expel the refugees.
You guys, don't believe in yourself to that extent and don't take things easy. Jaffer is the leader of a group of refugees. He inherited the art of oratory from his father Abu Talib. I don't think he will sit idle and let you guys achieve your goal.
You might think so. He may be superior to us in speech, but the courtiers will mostly look at our hand. When good and wise words come out of the mouth of a narrow hand, their status is like a water bubble.
Does anyone know? Maybe Omar is right. Oh Lord, Najashi is coming!
We bow before your glory. O great and just King Najashi. Recently a group of some irrational people have abandoned the religion of their forefathers and adopted a new religion, which is not similar to the official religion of your country Abyssinia, or the religion of our ancestors. The group's goal is to sow discord and gain control of Mecca. These people have taken refuge in your country, so that they can take advantage of the peaceful atmosphere of freedom, and those who respect the views of others, to promote the dangerous religion in your country. And then you know what will happen. On behalf of the nobles of Mecca, I salute the mighty King of Abyssinia. so that he can return them to us, and we took them and teach them the religion of our forefathers, through the necessary instructions in our country. And so our enemies will not be able to gain any center, and our friendship with you will last forever. I hope you will cooperate.
O Lord, we have always had good trade relations with Makkah.
These saboteurs have no place in Abyssinia. It would be appropriate to order their expulsion from here as soon as possible.
What do you think will be our fate, Jaffer? Will Najashi hand us over to the people of Makkah?
Calm down, the messenger of God will not make a mistake about a person like Najashi. You should be satisfied. The day Holy Prophet told us to go from Mecca, he also thought about that day. Otherwise he could have sent us to Yemen, Hira, or anywhere else. Do not be afraid. Trust in God. Keep calm and control your nerves. Trust God. Be content.
As far as I know, a group of forced people have come here to seek refuge, which you think are the elements that are spreading chaos. But I will not accept your words without research. I will not hand him over to you until it is proved to me. Refugees should be presented. O Lord, why do you bother yourself? There is no need for research. We have said nothing but the truth.
Then you should not be bothered to face them. Refugees should be presented to me.
Sure, my lord.